Okay, prepping for a new countertop here. And what is going on? Builder souvenirs, Seagram's ginger ale. Bob, I thought that was a whiskey bottle.
Could be one in there somewhere.
Well, I'd rather see that than skeletons. Dun, 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 dun. Clear.
That is a super big gulp. Still has the straw.
DNA evidence.
Oh,
We are at exactly 3 weeks.
Exactly 3 weeks.
And let's see how far they've come.
It's too late to change now.
To change what? Change
I
our
like it,
minds?
so, yeah.
No!
It's too late to change your mind now, but I do like it.
I do too.
And actually, a very pleasant surprise. So, we were a little curious how our design of like the onyx bases with the cherry tops would work together. And there's a couple things that it really does actually work that I don't know if the camera can see, but the grain within this is a darker color, which kind of matches the onyx. And then the glass also has some black tone to it. So that kind of matches the onyx.
And
too.
you want to see something
Do
cool?
you see that?
Look at this. Oh, finished interior on the display cabinet.
Yeah, very pretty.
I like that. And then the natural, I guess that's a maple on the
What's
inside.
fascinating is our foyer and our hallway is that color maple.
Yes,
So when
it's
you
really
open
a
the
direct match.
cabinets, it's kind of funny because it matches the maple. You can't really see it through the plastic.
There's
right now.
definitely a
But
tie-in.
it actually ties in, like just coincidentally, that it matches. That's kind of
So everything's soft
Cool.
close. Gotta love that. And we haven't put our pulls on yet.
they're coming.
it's
Where
really
are the
coming
poles?
together.
Did you bring the box?
Yeah, I have them in a box in the other room. We got 54 pulls. So for tomorrow, the oven is being delivered. We have the countertop is being measured. So they're gonna come out and do all the measurements, and then they'll create a big paper template which will lie over the Dolomite marble slab that we selected. And I know we're like doing the happy dance.
Because I pulled a drawer out.
Yeah, we're starting to like, should we just start moving some of our stuff
But
in?
look at how much, like, why does this seem bigger than my old
You know
drawer?
why? Because I think
It comes out.
with the hardware, it comes out further. So the drawers are a little bit deeper.
Like, it just seems more accessible.
Yep.
Doesn't it?
Oh, show them the pantry. Show them the pantry.
I will, but I want to, like, play.
I know.
See, like, I just feel like there's more room or something.
That drawer is almost big enough to raise chickens.
Nice. Don't let Bob be talking you into chicken.
I'm thinking about those chickens.
My pantry.
Let's see that pantry action. It is spacious. Pantry cam. Okay, let's see. Soft touch. There's my soft touch. Wait. Ready? Soft touch. Soft touch.
Mike has officially lost his mind.
If you've seen my mind, please let me know in the comments below. Once the cabinets are screwed down in their final locations, the countertop company came in and created templates out of wooden slats that represent the actual dimensions and layout of our countertops. This will help us visualize how our Dolomite marble slab will be cut and distributed throughout the kitchen. So we are making our way over to the granite that we selected, and they're going to lay our template on top of it. There's our templates. Yeah. Yeah.
Because those are the ones that people are going to see probably the most. And then the counter from the kitchen to the dining room is this one, which has beautiful character too. And then that,
Right, so that's the counter.
because that's probably what people are going to
That's for
see
the
the
pass-through.
most. That's really pretty.
How do you
pretty.
join them? Is it like an epoxy?
It's an epoxy that they'll mix and tone a color together to make it so that way it matches.
And
Up
there's
here.
no defects or anything on the stone that I saw, right? So we're not highlighting anything that's like a.
I didn't really see anything. The only thing,
Yeah, I didn't
is
see anything. Did you see anything?
the dirt on there, which once they start working
Right,
on the water,
you said that's
gonna come
just
off of
dirt,
there.
so that's fine.
And when they start cutting things up, once this goes in and gets laid down and starts getting cut, they'll kind of go over that and see if there's anything that's out of the ordinary that's going to be an issue or something.
They'll let us know. And then that's why we have that third slab there that's part of
We
this
still need
thing.
some backsplash here anyway.
That's true
So we'll be
too.
going into that for some backsplash too.
Right, got it. Okay. I love it. It's very pretty.
It's our project dog. She's stuck on the other side. I know this is weird, right? This is some of the molding. And here's the back panel for our island. And ready for it? Wait for it, wait for it. Appliances. Our oven is in. How's its profile?
Zoe's on the dark side.
Yes, she is. She's keeping me company. What do you think?
That tail.
You saw the tail, huh?
I did. That telltale tail.
Is that too much excitement for one day? I'll bet it is. So this is the blocking that the crown molding will be attached to. So it continues around, and they have a nice square surface for them to put those faseboards on, which are here and looking really nice. And then the crown will come off the face of these and will join with the ceiling, giving us our final profile.
I'm just like, wow.
I know, it's a lot.
It's just a lot to take in, and we got the templates for the counters today. We laid them on the stone. That's gonna look so neat.
It really is.
I don't know, I'm just excited for it all to come together, but I have to wait.
I know.
The hardest part is waiting. Isn't that a song?
That's it for today's show. I'm Mike, and if you haven't already, please subscribe so you can see our next episode when we get our counters installed. Be good, be well, and be safe, and I'll talk to you real soon. I fixed it.